After Aam Aadmi Party chief and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal wrote to Delhi High Court Judge Justice Swarana Kanta Sharma, Manish Sisodia has also taken a similar route. Manish Sisodia says that he will also not appear before her in the court in Delhi's excise policy case personally or through an advocate. He added he does not have any hope for justice. No path remains other than Satyagraha. Kejriwal and Sisodia will be visiting Rajghat today as they begin their Satyagraha. AAP's social media handle tweeted the picture of him with Mahatma Gandhi in the background, captioned Kejriwal Satyagraha against injustice. Their letter comes a week after Justice Sharma's decision not to recuse herself from hearing the CBI's appeal against the trial court order discharging Kejriwal and others in the liquor policy case. These are in fact visuals of Kejriwal at the Rajghat before he in fact continues with his protest. He had raised the issue about the judge. Sisodia along with Kejriwal will be in fact at Rajghat to start their Satyagraha. Both of them want the judge to recuse herself from the case. The judge has in fact refused to go ahead and recuse herself from the case. The case pertains to the CBI's appeal against the trial court order discharging Kejriwal and others in the liquor policy case. Our social media handle, meanwhile, has tweeted about the Satyagraha that Kejriwal as well as Sisodia are to take part in. It was said, according to the AAP spokespersons, that effort is on to actually highlight the issues that are there that are linked with the liquor policy, and at the same time Kejriwal himself had in fact appeared before the judge and asked the judge to recuse herself from the case because of her connections with certain organizations. The hearing was carried out and the judge refused to recuse herself from the case, which is in regard to an appeal from the CBI, especially on the liquor policy case, where the CBI had in fact said that a lobby and cartelization effort was in fact carried out in the liquor policy case. These are in fact visuals coming in of Kejriwal along with Manish Sisodia heading towards Rajghat to pay their respects and then start the Satyagraha. In fact, live visuals of Kejriwal, Sisodia, Atishi, the former Chief Minister of Delhi itself, all of them in fact heading towards Rajghat and paying their respects to Mahatma Gandhi. Kejriwal had said that unless the judge in fact recuses himself from the case, he will start with the Satyagraha after he's in fact raised the concerns over it. He has also said that the judge's links would in fact be looked into, because of which he wants the judge to recuse from the case. Meanwhile, the judge has refused to recuse from the case and will be hearing the appeal of the CBI on the trial court's verdict, especially on the liquor policy case in which it had discharged Kejriwal and others in the liquor policy case.
फोटोग्राफर आप बन
To Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat along with Manish Sisodia. Manish Sisodia has also written saying that he won't be appearing before the judge, nor his lawyer will be appearing before the judge, citing that there are serious concerns reserved in the particular case. Sisodia had already written a letter to the judge at Swarana Kanta of the Delhi High Court. Now, Sisodia has in fact also raised about his appearance in the Delhi excise policy case personally or through an advocate with regard to the bench headed by the judge. He added that he does not have any hope for justice and no path remains other than that of Satyagraha, is what Kejriwal as well as Sisodia have in fact alleged. Meanwhile, our social media handle has tweeted about the movement of Kejriwal, especially on going to the Rajghat, as well as after which to go ahead with the Satyagraha. The exact plan of action is not yet exactly known other than the Satyagraha that's coming in, but Kejriwal had also stated that he would in fact reserve the right to appeal in the Supreme Court.
बेल दिलवाई, आरोप मुक्त किया। आज हम लोग अगर आजाद घूम रहे हैं तो हमारी न्याय प्रणाली की वजह से घूम रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस पैदा हुए हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें ये सत्याग्रह करना पड़ रहा है। और वो सभी हमने जज साहिबा को जो चिट्ठी लिखी है उस चिट्ठी में बयां कर दी है, क्योंकि बेहद संवेदनशील मामला है। तो मैं अभी मीडिया में कुछ इस बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहा कि उन्होंने जो है
There was in fact Kejriwal also citing that he had written a letter to the judge asking her to recuse from the case, and that not happening resulting in the Satyagraha. Manish Sisodia has also taken the route that has been followed by Kejriwal. He has also written to the judge on the excise policy case. He added that he does not have any hope for justice and no path remains other than of Satyagraha. Kejriwal and Sisodia are at Rajghat to begin their Satyagraha. Our social media handle tweeted picture of him along with Mahatma Gandhi in the background, captioned Kejriwal's Satyagraha against injustice. Comes a week after Justice Sharma's decision not to recuse herself from hearing of the CBI's appeal against the court order discharging Kejriwal and others in the liquor policy case.
फोटोग्राफर आगे से हट जाओ। फोटोग्राफर जाइए।